Starting a successful online business can be a challenging yet rewarding venture. Here are some tips for getting started. Choose a niche. Start by choosing a niche for your online business. This could be anything from selling products on an e-commerce site to offering online courses or services. Conduct market research. Once you've chosen a niche, conduct market research to understand your target audience's needs and preferences. Develop a business plan. Create a business plan that outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Choose a business name and domain. Choose a name for your business that's easy to remember and reflects your brand. Secure a domain name that's available and easy to remember. Build a website. Build a website that's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly and optimized for search engines. Establish social media presence. Establish a presence on social media platforms that are relevant to your business. Engage with your audience and post regularly to build a following. Create valuable content. Create valuable content that's informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. This could include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. Offer exceptional customer service. Offer exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and complaints, and strive to exceed their expectations. Drive traffic to your website. Drive traffic to your website through various marketing channels, such as paid advertising, search engine optimization, and social media marketing. Measure your success. Measure your success regularly using analytics tools to understand what's working and what's not. Use this information to make data-driven decisions and optimize your business for growth.